Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a payment method to the McDonald's app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect the payment method to the McDonald's app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the McDonald's app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on More. Now, on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Profile on the upper hand side, and then you're going to go ahead and click on Payment Methods. So this is where you could actually go ahead and link a payment method in order to pay for your McDonald's order. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect the payment method to the McDonald's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.